In this video, I'll show you how to connect iFLYTEK AI Translation Earbuds to an iPhone. I purchased the Chinese market version and I could not find its required app in the United States App Store. To install it, I had to use a Chinese Apple ID. If you purchase the international version, your app and setup process may be different. So step 1, charge and activate the earbuds. There's a USB-C right there. And open the charging case and remove the earbuds. This should turn them on and then make them available for pairing. Okay, so we're going to open right here, and this is how they look. Okay, so step 2, let's download the Chinese Fly app, iFLYTEK app, and it's this one right here. I changed it to English, it's normally in Chinese. If you do need the Chinese version or the Chinese name, I'll go ahead and post it below in the descriptions. Alright, so let's get started with connecting them. So first we're going to want to go to Bluetooth, and that's up here, and we're just going to want to make sure that it's on. And once it's on, we're going to go ahead and look for the iFLYTEK earbuds, the 7BOs, and then go ahead and click on that. Now it says connected. Now we can go ahead and go into the app, and once we do, we're going to see iFLYTEK right here, the AI Translation Earbuds. We're going to go ahead and tap on that. You'll see on the bottom it says go to connect. Go ahead and connect those. And then go ahead and put allow, and then we're going to go ahead and push connect, and they are connected now both on the iPhone Bluetooth and the app. So now when we go back to the app, we'll see this page, and then it gives some basic instructions. So on the left, for example, it says hold for 3 seconds, AI wake up on the right or left earbud, and like triple tap is previous track, next track. Okay, so you can check that out. And then there's a menu for voice and features, but then we're going to go ahead and go to got it. We are now connected to the iPhone, and so we can use the features now. So whether it's face-to-face, which both two people have to wear one earbud each, and simultaneous interpretation, that's when you listen to the other person speak. And there's also call translation and online interpretation. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you in my other videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.